how to chat on TikTok Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can chat on TikTok Lite, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So the chatting process on TikTok Lite and the TikTok app is basically the same. Open up TikTok Lite application, then just come to the inbox tab. Now to be able to chat on TikTok, I'm sure you already know it, but the question here is that if you want to chat with someone on TikTok, you need to be friends with them, and to be friends with that person you need to both have followed each other. For example, if you have both followed each other, it means that you are friend on TikTok, but only if one of you have followed and the other person have not followed you back, then it means that they have not accepted your follow request, and as a result you will not be able to chat with each other as long as you don't go ahead and then actually follow each other. So just keep that thing in mind. And once you come to the inbox tab, you'll find the DMs icon from the top right, just like how you see on Instagram, right? Just tap on that DMs icon and then you'll be able to see all the direct messages. For example, you can just tap on a specific chat, send them a specific message, whatever else you actually prefer. In this case, you can just tap on the three lines and then you can have other options as well. And this is how you can chat on TikTok Lite. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.